Brett Bolton's Natural Max Hair Vitamin is for men and women who want better overall health and vitality for their hair. Dr. Bolton is a hair restoration specialist who has been in medical practice for over 20 years and has solely focused on hair. Max Hair, his unique formulation of natural vitamins and herbs that help prevent hair loss, stabilizes and strengthens hair quality while speeding up natural hair growth cycles. Max Hair makes your hair more resilient, thicker, shiny, and beautiful in appearance, helps prevent breakage and split ends, and in many cases has helped regrow hair follicles to their original quality. Natural and safe Max Hair gives you the beautiful hair you desire. Max Hair, for everyone who seeks a more youthful and rejuvenated appearance to his or her hair. Order yours today.
Hi there, here we are with our patient, Dr. Joel. Flew in from Nashville, Tennessee for another hair transplant procedure. We did a max harvest hair transplant about 3 years ago. He was pretty bad shape when we initially saw him. He had probably, maybe 30, maybe tops 40% of the hair on the top of his head left. So he's now currently on Propecia to help prevent future hair loss. He's currently doing Rogaine, so he's doing his part to help prevent future hair loss. And here he is 3 years later with the one procedure. And he's back for more.
That's right.
How was the process for you, my friend?
It wasn't bad at all.
Wasn't
Pretty
bad
painless.
at all.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad at all.
Painless, easy.
Yeah.
Did you experience anything unusual, swelling, or any like weird pain after the process?
Not really at all, no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now you're a physician, is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, and so did you do a lot of research when
I
you were?
did, yeah.
You did.
Quite a bit.
And
Quite a
awesome.
bit of research.
And how did we get so fortunate to do your procedure?
Well, originally I was looking at just physicians, and it didn't really matter where in the country, but I happened to find a location which is actually close to where I live. And then I found out you were no longer in Tennessee at the time, but you were actually in South Florida, and I went to college down here, so I was very familiar with the area. So it just worked out great. I thought it was a good fit, so.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
We did a max harvest hair transplant procedure. And what do your friends and family think? Do they like the result?
Oh, I think tremendously, but I don't think a lot of people realize, a lot of people that I met even afterwards, they didn't even realize I ever had any hair loss, or they didn't realize I even had a procedure.
That's
done,
awesome.
So
Yeah, I love that.
It, so.
Yeah, if you catch it early enough, and that's the trick.
Yeah, I knew it was the time.
Then it grows out, and people don't have any idea you went through it.
Yeah, they couldn't believe it.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Totally worth it.
And so you're back again, and what are we doing today?
I think it's pretty much along the same lines, a similar procedure, but just to fill in, kind of increase the density.
Perfect.
And it's really
All right, this is a perfect patient. Here you go. He's doing everything he's supposed to do preventatively to help make sure he keeps what's there. And he's following through on the second procedure. I tell everyone up front, plan on two. That first procedure, we build that base, we fill it in. It looks awesome, but if you were to really get deep in here, you can see he needs just one more nice pass just to kind of thicken things up and fine tune it. But after that second pass, he'll be done for the most part, as long as he maintains his existing hair with the preventative treatments that we've discussed. So anyways, I'm going to kind of show everything off, so I'm going to kind of spin you around. I haven't seen his scar yet, so the camera always looks at me with the scar at the same time. Let's first off have you tucked down like this. Okay, and I'm just going to kind of put a comb through there. Everyone wants to see everything. Looks great. I'm going to give it profile over here. Just kind of look straight ahead. So here's that hairline. Nice. First time looking at the scar. There it is, right through there. See that, Josh? Okay, so can I get you to tuck down just a smidge? See that, Josh?
Can't see anything, but that's the way it's
Okay,
supposed to be.
good. So it's a perfect suture line. He wears his hair pretty short too, and you can barely even see that.
Is that about a 2 blade?
Probably. Was it 2 or 3, right? When you cut it? Yeah. Looks great, man. Absolutely perfect. Look at that, the whole way. Can't even see that sucker. So today what I'm actually even going to do, believe it, is I'm going to take that same line out and leave him just with the one scar. Let's kind of show the other hairline over here. I know you look at this. Kind of head up just normal. Yep, just like that. Good. So that's the hairline over there. And then I'm going to just kind of tuck you back. Yep, so that's all the transplant. So completely undetectable. Looks amazing. Awesome. That's literally as good as it gets. One procedure, one pass, man.
Thank you.
On the money. Super happy for you.
Yeah.
So today, same thing. Take the same line out. You'll be a great patient. Let it heal perfectly. Fill the same thing in. Stay on your meds, and you go on with your life.
Right. Yep.
What do you say to the guy sitting at home who's thinking about doing this?
I just think you should do it. I mean, I think you got the means, and you can, and if you, can take care of yourself, I think you should do it.
So it's an overall easy process, and
Absolutely.
you get it done, right?
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
All right. Thanks so much for doing the video.
Absolutely.
We appreciate it.
Yeah.